Yeah, good morning. So this concept is now having rolling and sliding both. So this is a case of a sphere which has the frictional force acting at the bottommost point between the surface of the sphere and the ground. And you can see there are two equations that describe the rolling and sliding both. Because you can see there is a force and there is a torque, and you can see the torque has been mentioned as ICM alpha and force has been mentioned as mass into acceleration of center of mass. Now the main point in this slide is that when you do torque calculations for rolling and sliding, the selection of axis is very important. In rolling and sliding, the selection of axis has to be the center of mass, not the instantaneous axis, which is touching the ground. The instantaneous axis is to be chosen for the situations where you don't have any sliding, you just have pure rolling. So in this slide, the main point being made is that please choose center of mass as the axis for calculating the torque and not instantaneous axis when you have rolling and sliding both involved. Thank you.